Welcome to Firethorne Apartments in St. Charles. We're in unit 1340B. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit suitable for wheelchairs. Extra wide space for them to travel in the bathrooms and the like. So we're just looking out on the balcony. You notice the fireplace, and this is the living room. One of the nice features about this apartment is that it in fact has no carpeting in the living areas of the apartment. Let's go over here to what I like to call the most important door in the apartment. Side-by-side washer dryer, room for storage, lots of room to hang things up as you take them out. And this is right beside the front door. And here, of course, we have the entry closet for winter coats. This is a view of the living room from the entry area. That fancy phone is the intercom to buzz people in. Wood-burning fireplace. And now let's go into the dining area. See, it's a very spacious dining area, room for a table for 6. And here we have the kitchen fully equipped with a stove, dishwasher, fridge, freezer of course, and a really nice feature is the disposal in the sink. And down at the end we have a pantry. I love a pantry. Great to see what's on hand. So this is looking out through the kitchen. Going to take another look out through the living room and the balcony. And now we're going to go to the hall. As you know, I mentioned earlier, this is suitable for handicap. Very wide door. Lots of room to spin the chair. And a full-size tub with shower. Go out back of the hallway. On the right-hand side here, we have a linen closet. And this is the second bedroom, about 10 by 11. Closet at the end. And around the corner, we have the master bedroom. Very large. Large closet down here at the end. Nice view outside. And then we have another handicapped bathroom down here. This one has a stand-up shower. And in here we have another linen closet. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath on the ground floor, suitable for handicapped people with the enlarged doorways, enlarged bathrooms. Very convenient to downtown St. Charles. Close to Main Street and Randall, where you've got Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, lots of shops, and of course my favorite store, Costco. Thank you for joining us and have a great day, and we wish you a safe one.